Most people use ChatGPT like it's Google. They type a question, hit enter, and hope for something useful. But if you're serious about saving time, building automations, or getting client ready results, you need structure. In this video, I'll show you a simple prompt formula called craft, and no, not the cheese. This method gives me 10x better results from AI tools, and it works for everything from emails to automation flows. First, let's get into prompt engineering. Prompt engineering isn't about making your prompt sound fancy, it's about giving the AI just enough structure to give you exactly what you need. Whether you're generating content, summarizing leads, or writing workflows, how you ask is everything. And that's where craft comes in. Let's get into the framework and then we get into the demo. Here is the craft framework. C for context. What situation are we solving? R for role. Who should the AI act as? A marketer, a consultant, expert? A for action. What do you want it to do? Write, summarize, suggest? F for format. How should the output be structured? Bullets, tables, emails? And lastly, T for tone or target. Set the tone, audience, word limit, or any other rules. You don't need to write a novel. Just 2 to 4 clear lines using craft can change everything. Let's get into a live demo. Now let's do something real world. We're going to take a 30-minute discovery call with a real estate agent that's juggling multiple hats and then turn into clean, structured notes for our CRM to just drop it in there. As you can see right here, we have a prompt that's inspired by craft. So for role, we will be putting CRM assistant. For action, your task is to summarize a discovery call. The format that I want is this. I'll just be copying and pasting this. And then we're going to keep the tone professional and concise. And then we have a couple of rules or constraints, and that will be under 300 words, use bullet points, CRM ready format, and don't respond until we provide you the full conversation. So now we're just going to press enter. It's going to respond, and we're going to put in our prompt now. As you can see, ChatGPT gave us our full summary. We have everything here, such as client, business type, pain points, solutions discussed, and action items. This is exactly how powerful prompt engineering can be when you do it the right way. This works even better when you plug craft into automations. I've used this in Make to auto write follow-up, summarize Airtable forms, and even create task names dynamically. When the prompt is tight, the AI response is usable. That's what unlocks automation. Also, I put together a free craft prompt builder. It includes full framework, a couple of examples, and a fill in the blank template. You can download this with the link below. If you want help building your first automated prompt system and don't know where to start, I'm offering a free 15-minute strategy call. Book yours with the link below. And if you've written your own craft prompt, drop it in the comment below. I'd love to see what you're building.